Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by preparing the devices and an IP plan so configuration is efficient. First, open Packet Tracer, add a router and an access point, and pick compatible images. Next, decide a management IP range and reserve a static IP for the AP, for example 192, 168, 10 with a /24 mask and the router as gateway. Once done, physically connect the AP to the router's LAN port with a straight-through cable, power both on, and access their interfaces. Now configure the router and any necessary VLAN to carry wireless traffic. Log into the router CLI and create the VLAN used by the AP, then assign the router's subinterface or interface an IP address that matches your subnet. Configure a DHCP pool for wireless clients if you want dynamic addressing. Make sure trunk or access settings on the connecting switch port match the VLAN choice. Once configured, apply basic ACLs if required, and ping the reserved AP/IP to confirm Layer 3 reachability. Finally, configure the access point itself and complete testing. Connect to the AP's GUI or CLI, assign the static management IP you reserved, set the subnet mask and router as default gateway, then create your SSID and apply appropriate security such as WPA2 or WPA3. If you used VLAN, bind the SSID to the correct VLAN and set the radio channel. Test by connecting a client, verifying it gets a DHCP lease and can reach the internet. If something fails, check physical cables, VLAN tagging, and ACL rules first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.